Deep within the jungle, far from the noise of city streets, lies a trail shaped by time alone. Mud from endless rain, roots twisted by decades of growth, and soil that moves beneath your feet. Today, 3 RC off-road cars will take on this place. Blue, red, and white. Small in size, but powerful in spirit. The drone follows from behind, capturing every drop of mud, every shock absorber word, every tire clawing for grip. This isn't just racing. This is survival. The blue car takes the lead. The red car pushes close behind. The white car analyzes, watching the terrain, choosing the smarter path. Speed is useless if the ground beneath you gives way. Control, awareness, patience. These win the race. Life is the same. We all travel our path. Sometimes it's smooth. Sometimes it's mud. Deep, heavy, slowing you down with every step. But remember, as long as your wheels keep turning, you're still in the race. The jungle offers no applause, no cheering crowd, no spotlight, and yet the journey continues, because the real victory happens on the inside. If this adventure speaks to you, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more cinematic RC journeys. Your support isn't just a number, it's the fuel that keeps the wheels moving. Thank you for watching, and remember, never stop moving forward. Every journey has a purpose, and every struggle has meaning. These 3 RC cars, blue, red, and white, may be small, but today, they carry something bigger than speed. The jungle ahead is wet, unpredictable, and unforgiving. The mud is deep, the roots are sharp, the rain is constant. Nothing here will make the race easier, but sometimes, the harder the road, the more meaningful the progress. The blue car leads with calm control. The red car pushes with fearless pressure. The white car waits with quiet intelligence. Different style, different strengths, but all chasing the same goal. The mud gets deeper. The wheels sink. Every movement takes more effort. Just like life, the harder you try to move forward, the more resistance you feel. But resistance is not the enemy. Resistance is the teacher. The slope becomes steep. Wet rocks, slippery ground, shifting traction. One wrong move, everything falls apart. This is where discipline matters. This is where patience matters. This is where belief matters. The light fades. The tunnel grows narrow. Mist clings to the air. But the cars keep moving, because darkness is never permanent. And neither is your struggle. The red car presses harder. The blue car responds with calm precision. The white car sees an opening. This is it. This is the moment where everything before it finally matters. If this journey resonates with you, if you've ever pushed through your own mud, your own darkness, your own uphill battle, then you are part of this race too. Like this video, comment which car you stand with, blue, red, or white, and subscribe, because this journey is far from over.